Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel after quite a long gap, but fortunately here I am with a new video. Almost all of us have encountered this question: what does build number mean in Windows? It is something which I did encounter quite few times, and eventually I did find out what it means, and today I'll be sharing the same with you all. But before we start, do subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss any new cool videos. Now we all know what version number means. After all of us have experienced this in the form of updates. For example, take your Android smartphone or iPhone. We get regular updates for both these operating systems. While the major updates happen once a year in the fall, we still get minor incremental updates throughout the year. These can include new features, security patches, and some bug fixes. Some examples are iOS 14.1, 14.2, 14.2.1, 14.3, and so on. Here the 14 is the major version of iOS, but the 14.1, 0.2, 0.2, 0.3 are all minor incremental updates. But as we know, Windows operates in quite a different manner compared to mobile operating systems. We don't get major year-on-year updates. Take the recent Windows 11 update, which comes after 6 years since the launch of Windows 10 in 2015. So it's very clear that Windows operates very differently than Android iOS in terms of software updates. But just like on both Android and iOS, you get incremental minor updates throughout its lifetime, some of which are even major ones. These incremental minor updates are distributed throughout the operating system's lifetime and are represented using build numbers. The build numbers play a major role in terms of support, especially for games like Forza Horizon 4. I myself have made separate videos explaining the installation of the game on different build versions of Windows 10 because of the security updates made to the latest build versions. I will leave cards to both the videos and their links in the description, do check them out. Getting started, the mainstream builds of Windows 10 were initially labeled YYMM, with YY representing the 2-digit year and MM representing the month of planned release. For example, look at here we have version 1507, which refers to builds which initially released in July 2015. Here 15 stands for the 2-digit year and 07 stands for July. But starting with version 20H2, Windows 10 release nomenclature changed from the year and month pattern to a year and half year pattern. As you can see here, 20H2, it means that 20 is for 2020 and H2 means the second half of the year. Now to check what build version number you are currently running on your Windows 10, enter the command winver in the Windows search bar. As you can see here, I am running Windows 10 build version 21H1. Here the 21 means that the update year is 2021 and the H1 represents that it was released in the first half of 2021. To know the exact release date of these updates, you have to check it out on the Windows official page or much easier in Wikipedia, for which I will leave a link in the description. The recent major cumulative update to Windows 7 happened to be its 12th major update, codenamed 21H2, whose previous build was recently released on July 15, 2021. All the major updates of Windows 10 are given here on this table. Do take a look at it and then you can easily understand what the build number nomenclature means. That's all for this video guys. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Meet you all in my next one.